Good morning, children. Welcome to EVS online class. Today in this class, we are going to learn about my body. See, before that, I think you are all have textbooks now. Semester 1, class 1, semester 1. Open in the TVS, in the open page number 161. See here, my body. Okay, children, open page number 161. See, in last class, we know all about me, means introduction of ourselves or myself. Isn't it, children? Now, today we are going to learn my body. See, our body has many parts. Before that, in UKG, you learned one rhymes. If you remember, can you tell me? Yes. Which rhymes? About body parts. Yes. Chubby cheeks. Are you remember, children? Yes. Chubby cheeks, dimple chin. Okay. Rosy lips, teeth within. Curly hair, very fair. Eyes are blue, lovely too. Teacher's pet, is that you? Yes, yes, yes. See, in these rhymes, they are mentioning the different types of body parts like cheeks, chin, lips, teeth, eyes. These are all different types of body parts. See, our body has many parts. So, our body has many parts and each part has a name. See, each part of our body is different. Each part of our body is different. See, each part is useful and our body performs different function. Each part of our body performs different functions. But they are doing different function, but all parts, they are work together. Isn't it, children? Yes. So now, let us see which are all the body parts. See, I have head. See, I will show my body parts. See, I have head, hair on my head. Okay, children? These are all hairs. See, I have round face or oval face. Somebody's face are round and somebody's face are oval. And I have eyes. How many eyes I have? I have two eyes. These are eyes. And I have one nose and I have two ears, one mouth. In mouth, I have teeth, white teeth. Inside the mouth, I have pink tongue. Isn't it, children? See, I have inside the mouth pink tongue. And I have two cheeks and a chin. Okay, two arms. This is shoulders, two shoulders, two arms and two hands, neck, chest, stomach and legs. Isn't it, children? See, these are all our different body parts. See, some parts of our body has pairs. Some parts of our body has pairs and some parts are single. Before that, we will see what are all the different body parts. See, first what will come? Head. Okay, head, forehead, eyes, nose, mouth, lips, teeth, neck, shoulders, arms, chest, arms after hand. Hands, chest, stomach, legs. Okay, these are all different types of body parts. They have name. Okay, see, head. Head. This is our head. In the head we have so many parts. See, head, forehead, eyebrows, eyes, nose, ears, mouth, teeth, tongue and lips. Okay. So after that, come to down, neck. This is neck. Then two shoulders. Okay, children? Two shoulders. Then two arms and two hands. Each hand we have 5 fingers. See, in each hand we have 5 fingers. I will draw and show. See, this one hand. We have how many hands? 2 hands. This is one hand. This is, see, in this hand we have 5 fingers. See, each finger has a name. This is thumb finger. Thumb finger. Okay, this is thumb finger and this one index finger. Index finger. This is middle finger. And this is ring finger. And this one little finger. Okay, children, see. This is my left hand. See, in my left hand, this one thumb finger and this one index finger. We are showing now like this. This is called index finger and this is middle finger and this one ring finger and this is little finger. Okay. So, how many hands we have? We have 2 hands. In each hand we have 5 fingers. Okay. Each finger has a name. Thumb finger, index finger, middle finger, ring finger and little finger. Okay, children? So, these are all our body parts, different body parts. See, come to hands. In that hands, we have I will tell you after that one. We have 2 hands, 2 arms, so pairs. I will tell after that. See, in legs we have knees and feet and thigh. Okay. In legs we have knees, feet and thigh. Then in hands, arms and wrist. Okay. These are all our body parts. And also, I told already, we have 2 pairs. Some body parts have pairs. So, some parts of our body has pairs and some parts of our body has single. shall we know which are they? So first we see pairs. Okay, pairs and here single. Pair part and single part. See, can you tell me? Yes, think and tell me which are pairs. Which part has we have pairs? Yes, we have two eyes. Two eyes. This pairs, isn't it, children? Two eyes, 2 ears. Isn't it, children? Yes. 2 shoulders. 2 arms. 2 hands. In the arms we have also wrist, 2 wrists and 2 legs. First I will write pairs. Two legs. In the 2 legs we know 2 ankle, 2 feet, 2 ankle, 2 feet or foot. Okay. Then thigh. Okay, children. Yes. These are all pair parts. And which are single part? Which are single part? Yes. Head. Head is only one head we have, no? Yes. Head. Then nose, mouth, neck, stomach and chest. These are all single part. Okay. These are all pair parts and these are all single part. So we recall it once. Each part of our body has a name. We have many parts. We have many parts, isn't it? Our body has many parts. So each part has different name and each part has they do different function. They perform different function, isn't it, children? Yes. Each part is useful to us, isn't it, children? Yes. See, these are all the body parts: head, forehead, eyes, ears, nose, mouth, teeth, tongue, lips, neck, 2 shoulders. Isn't it, children? 2 shoulders, 2 arms, 2 hands. In each hand we have 5 fingers. Totally how many fingers we have? We have 10 fingers. Each hand 5 fingers. Each finger has different name. See, this is called thumb finger, index finger, middle finger, ring finger and little finger. And we have chest, stomach, legs. So in that legs we have, see, in that legs we have ankle and feet. Okay. Now, shall I ask one question, children? How many eyes do we have? Tell me now. Say, you know, no? Yes, how many eyes do you have? You have 2 eyes. Isn't it, children? Yes. How many legs do we have? Yes, we have 2 legs. How many head we have? We have only 1 head. Isn't it, children? See, how many stomach? Only 1 stomach. How many ears? We have 2 ears. Isn't it, children? Yes, this is about our body, different parts of our body. Okay, see, just I will recall it once. We have many parts of body. Okay, so our body has many parts. So each part has a name, and each part of our body is different. See, eyes is different, like ears also different, nose also different. Each part are not same. They are different, and each part is useful. Okay, and they will perform different function. See, we have this much of body parts. The parts of the body is head, forehead, head. This is head. This is forehead, eyebrows, these two eyebrows, and two eyes, two ears, nose, mouth, two lips, tongue and teeth. And this is neck, this is two shoulders and two arms and two hands. In each hand we have 5 fingers. Each finger has different name. Thumb finger, say thumb finger, then index finger, middle finger, ring finger and little finger. Okay. Then after we have chest, stomach, legs. Okay, we have 2 legs. Okay, so this is about my body. In the next class, we are going to learn how my body works. The parts of body, how it will works. Okay, children, and the sense organ, about sense organ. Okay, before that you should read the textbook. You go through once textbook. After finishing this online class, you should go through once. Okay, children, page number 161. Okay, if you read once, then you will understood. Okay, children, we will meet in the next class. Thank you.